One of the most widely cited incidents that helped to spur the development of the seat belt was a car accident that occurred in the 1930s. In this incident, a doctor named Claire L. Straith was driving on a rural road when his car was struck by another vehicle. Straith was thrown from the car and sustained serious injuries, including a shattered hip. Following his recovery, Straith became a vocal advocate for the use of seat belts in automobiles, and he developed an early form of the modern seat belt that he called the safety strap. The modern seat belt, as we know it today, was invented in the early 1950s by a Swedish engineer named Nils Bohlin. Bohlin's three-point seat belt design quickly became standard equipment and has since been adopted by virtually all automakers around the world. The first cars to feature seat belts as standard equipment were produced in 1959. Seat belts are important because they can significantly reduce the risk of injury or death in the event of a car accident. When a car suddenly stops, passengers inside the car will continue to move forward at the same speed the car was traveling before the stop. This sudden deceleration can cause passengers to be thrown from their seats, collide with other passengers or objects inside the car. This can help to prevent injuries to the head, neck, and spine, as well as other parts of the body. In addition, seat belts can help to prevent passengers from being ejected from the car, which is a major cause of death in car accidents. Wearing a seat belt is also important because it helps to protect others in the car. In the event of an accident, an unbelted passenger can become a projectile, potentially injuring or even killing other passengers in the car. Seat belts can reduce the risk of serious injury and death in car accidents by about 50%. National Highways and Motorway Police has remained a leading organization to promote safety in Pakistan.